Hey everyone, I'm Martin Trussell, a NASM certified personal trainer and the founder of vertifitness.com. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into one of my favorite tools for building strength, boosting fitness, and transforming your body, the kettlebell. I've been passionate about kettlebell training for years, and the science keeps backing it up. A 2024 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that kettlebell training significantly improves muscular strength and power even in healthy, active individuals. That's right, these simple, compact weights. But first, let's talk about the gear you need to get started. And trust me, it's simpler than you might think. Kettlebells come in a few main styles and each offers unique benefits depending on your training goals. Traditional cast iron kettlebells. These are the classic one-piece designs, durable, affordable, and perfect for most general workouts. Competition or sport kettlebells. These have a uniform size regardless of weight, which helps maintain consistent form across different loads. Adjustable kettlebells. And for those who want to save space or easily scale their training, adjustable kettlebells are fantastic. In fact, a 2024 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that adjustable kettlebells allow for progressive overload just as effectively as a full rack of weights, ideal for gradual strength gains. Now, one of the most common questions is, which weight should I choose? According to the American Council on Exercise's 2023 guidelines, beginners typically start with 8 to 12 kilograms, 18 to 26 pounds, for women, and 12 to 16 kilograms, 26 to 35 pounds, for men. But always base your choice on your current fitness level, experience, and goals. It's better to start a little lighter and focus on form before increasing weight. Before we dive into exercises, let's cover how to grip your kettlebell safely. For two-handed swings, wrap your fingers around the handle with your thumbs loosely touching. The handle should sit in the fingers, not the palms, to avoid wrist strain. For one-handed moves like cleans or snatches, the handle rests diagonally across the palm, allowing for smooth transitions and minimizing wrist impact. This grip technique is backed by the latest review in the Journal of Sports Rehabilitation, which emphasizes proper hand positioning to reduce strain and prevent injury. Always remember, good grip equals good form, and good form equals safe, effective training. Alright, now that you have your kettlebell and know how to hold it safely, let's get into 3 powerful beginner exercises that deliver amazing results, backed by science. Exercise 1. The kettlebell swing. The kettlebell swing is the king of kettlebell exercises. Simple, but incredibly effective. A 2023 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that kettlebell swings improve power, hip drive, and posterior chain activation, all while being low impact on your joints. Key technique points. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Hinge at the hips, keeping your back flat and core braced. Let the kettlebell swing back between your legs. Powerfully drive your hips forward, allowing the kettlebell to swing up to about chest height. Avoid using your arms. The hips do the work. Pro tip: think of your hips as a hinge, not a squat. That hip snap is what powers the swing. Exercise 2, the kettlebell goblet squat. Next up is the goblet squat. Perfect for building lower body strength with great form. A 2024 study in the Journal of Applied Biomechanics showed that kettlebell goblet squats create less spinal load compared to barbell squats, while still activating the major leg muscles, making it ideal for beginners and older adults. How to perform. Hold the kettlebell close to your chest, elbows down. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Sit back into the squat, keeping your chest tall and heels grounded. Push through your heels to return to standing. Pro tip: keep your elbows inside your knees to maintain proper knee tracking. Exercise 3, the Turkish get-up. The Turkish get-up, a total body exercise that builds incredible core strength, stability, and mobility. A 2022 study in the Journal of Sports Medicine highlighted how the Turkish get-up significantly activates the core and improves joint stability. Breakdown. Start lying on your back with the kettlebell pressed straight up. 1. Bend the same side knee and plant your foot. 2. Roll onto your opposite elbow, then hand. 3. Bridge your hips and sweep the opposite leg under into a half-kneeling position. 4. Stand up while keeping the kettlebell overhead. 5. Reverse the steps to return to the ground. Pro tip: go slow, focus on each movement, and keep your eyes on the kettlebell for balance and safety. Now that you've got the moves and safety tips down, let's put it all together with a simple, research-backed kettlebell workout you can start today. Beginner-friendly workout routine. This beginner routine includes 3 foundational kettlebell exercises. Based on a 2024 study in the Journal of Exercise Physiology, combining full-body movements with moderate volume helps beginners build strength, endurance, and proper movement patterns safely. Here's a sample routine. 1 kettlebell swings, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Focus on hip drive and controlled form. 2 goblet squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Keep the elbows in. 3 Turkish get-ups, 3 sets of 2 to 3 reps per side. Take it slow and keep your eyes focused on the kettlebell. Take 30 to 60 seconds rest between each set and perform this routine 2 or 3 times per week. Finally, a word about the power of progressive overload. To keep seeing results, you'll want to gradually increase the challenge. This is called progressive overload. A 2025 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research confirms that progressive overload is key for building both strength and muscle. But remember, small, consistent increases are best. How to apply progressive overload? Increase reps before increasing weight. Once you can easily complete all reps with perfect form, move up to a heavier kettlebell. You can also add sets or reduce rest time for more challenge. Listen to your body. Finally, always pay attention to how your body feels. A 2023 review in the Journal of Sports Rehabilitation emphasizes the importance of personalized progression. Your fitness journey is unique. Avoid comparing yourself to others and focus on steady, sustainable progress. Tips: if you feel pain, stop and reassess your form. Slight muscle soreness is normal, sharp pain is not. Recovery is part of progress. Prioritize rest days. There you have it. A complete beginner's guide to kettlebell training, backed by the latest science. As always, it is recommended that you consult your medical advisor prior to beginning any new exercise routine and work with a qualified fitness professional to ensure you are using proper form and technique. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. I'd love to help you on your kettlebell journey. And remember, it's not about how heavy you lift, but how well you move. See you next time.